guys, welcome back to my channel. For all those who are new here, my name is Surbhi and I make videos on makeup, beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle. So please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit on that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you guys get notified about it. Now let's move towards today's video. So today's video is all about my affordable summertime morning skincare routine, and before that I want to give you a little background about my skin type. So I have an acne prone, sensitive and combination skin. My T-zone is towards the oilier side, whereas my cheeks tend to get a little dry if I use anything harsh. So in order to know what all steps I take and what all products I use in order to take care of my skin, follow through the steps and keep on watching. So step 1 is to cleanse, and in order to cleanse my face I switch between two face washes. So the first face wash that I use is Bioderma Sebum Gel Mousse, and that's how it looks like. And the other face wash is Biotique Bio Honey Gel Refreshing Foaming Face Wash. So this one is on the pricier side, and today I am going to do all affordable skincare, so let's keep this one aside. So this is the face wash that I've been using these days, and this is Biotique Bio Honey Gel, and that's how it looks like. It's a very mild and refreshing face wash, and I will take a little bit on my two fingers. This much is enough for your whole face. I have put my hair behind and I am gently massaging it on my face and simply just lathering it on my whole face, including my forehead and everywhere. It's a very mild and refreshing face wash, and that's what I love about it. It does not dry my skin at all, plus it's Ayurvedic, and honey is very good for sensitive and acne prone skin. Step 2 is toning your face. So now there is altogether a debatable story about toning. Cosmetologists always say that toning is good for your face. It tightens your pores, maintains the pH balance and evens out your skin tone. Whereas on the other hand, dermatologists say that it's an additional step. You can always skip it if you don't feel like doing it. So that's what I do. I skip toning most of the time, but I do indulge myself into facial mist for that extra dose of hydration and refreshment. So this is a little DIY that I've done. This container had Miniso rose water previously, but once the container got empty, I put in Dabur Ka rose water in it. So step 2 is to simply put your hair behind, shake the bottle well before use and spray it from distance on my face, and just enjoy the feeling of that refreshed mist and let it sit for some time and let it absorb all the good nutrients that it has to offer, and then I will move on to the next step. So the third step is to correct your face, and in order to correct my face I switch between two products again, and the first product I have is the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum, and this product is perfectly suitable for people who have acne problems, who have acne scar, blemishes. So the second product that I use on a day-to-day basis is a vitamin C serum. This is by Cess Derma. This is Cess Derma C-Vit Liposomal Vitamin C serum, and that's how it looks like. It's a medicated product, and this is being suggested to me by my dermatologist. So this is the only vitamin C serum I've been using these days. So if I talk about vitamin C serum, it's an antioxidant which fights free radicals and protects your skin from aging. It also helps your skin in brightening with dull skin and uneven skin tone. So these days I'm using niacinamide serum more because I'm having a little bit of inflammation on my face, and now I will take a little bit in my dropper and put it all over my face little by little and just gently massage it, very gently massage it and spread it nicely. Not a lot of massage, but very gently. Next step is to apply an under eye cream. Now there is a lot of confusion about this particular step. So you're supposed to apply the product which has lighter consistency first, and then the heavier product like a moisturizer, heavier cream or anything of that sort. So since the under eye cream has lighter consistency, the creams are very lightweight and the gels are very lightweight, so you are supposed to put them first and then your moisturizer. So I've been using this product from Plum. This is their Bright Tears Under Eye Recovery Gel, and that's how it looks like. It's quite an affordable under eye gel and does the great job according to the price range. And I just take a little bit, and a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna take a little bit in this finger, because this finger has the least control and we don't want to put a lot of pressure under our eyes, because then it could lead to even more darkness, which we don't want. And just simply, nicely and very lightly apply it. And I will do the similar thing on my other eye. This much is more than enough. So step 5 is to moisturize your face. These days I've been using this product from Neutrogena. This is their Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer, and that's how the container looks like. I just take a little bit of it and cover my face. It's a great product for acne prone skin, because people who have acne prone skin, they need something very lightweight which does not clog the pores and does not cause any kind of allergy or irritation. So I'm just taking a little bit and rubbing it on my hands a little bit and quickly and gently massaging it all over my face like so. And also remember not to use your palm a lot, because it's heavier on your face and on your skin. So just simply using your fingers will do the job very nicely. And that's about it. We're done. So the sixth and the final step is to protect your skin. And in order to protect my skin, I've been using the sunscreen from La Shield. This is a medicated sunscreen, and this is P+++ broad spectrum UVA UVB oil free and dermatologically tested SPF 40 sunscreen. And this particular sunscreen I've shown in my previous videos also, and this is the sunscreen which I've been using from past 2 years, and I totally love this one. Take a generous amount of sunscreen, because less is not more when it comes to sunscreen, and I have taken this much of sunscreen, and I will just rub it a little bit on my fingers and spread it all over my face like so, including my neck and everywhere, my forehead, under my eyes, but careful not to put it in between your eyes. And that's about it. Last but not the least, I'll quickly hydrate my lips as well, because my lips tend to dry a lot. And today I'm using this lip balm by Biotique. This is their berry plumping lip balm, and that's how the container looks like. It's quite affordable, I think just for rupees 175. And this is the tint. It's a great and affordable lip balm, and I use it on day-to-day basis. And that's all, unless is a lot. So with this, you guys, I end my morning skincare routine. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know if you have any feedback, suggestions or questions for me. Mention them in the comment section below, and also don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and now I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.